It's a beautiful day, Aggie. I am terrible with picking names. I love you, son.
Is that an egg?
Yeah?
I want to touch it. No, Ouija, don't. That's my son. Did you say throw it? Did I win? Red, I got you a smoothie. I made it myself out of ketchup and rice. You should try it. It'll make you feel better after Ouija killed your son. Just try it. I know you'll like it. Trust me. Bye. Love you. Ah, yeah. Red, what's wrong? Mario, I don't feel so good. And what am I supposed to do about it? I don't know, you're a doctor? I'm not a Oh, yeah, I am a doctor. Never mind. Well, can you help a brother out, please? Well, what are your symptoms? Well, I have a cold, a sore throat, and other stuff too. Well, what other stuff do you mean? Oh, okay. I get it. Yeah, that too. Do you have any medicine I could use, please? Yeah. Follow me. Thanks, man. You're a lifesaver. I should have some Advil. Thanks, man. Well, let's see what we got here. Ha! Advil. There you go. There's your Advil, and get better. Mario, let me open it for you. There you go. Swallow. Mario, I don't take pills. Come on, Red. Okay, Red, what do you take? What do you take, Red? Well, do you have any drinkable kind? Fine, we'll see if we have any drinkable kind. Aha! Right here. Satisfied? Mario, I don't like grape. Get it yourself. Mario, can you go to the store, please? Get in the car. Okay, you ready, Red? Yeah, let's get me some medicine, please. Okay, let's go.
I'll be back. Okay, let's find the Tylenol that he wants. He said he wants strawberry, so... I don't know. Where is it? Aha. Okay, somewhere here. Aha, perfect. There you go. There's your aspirin. Oh, thanks, Mario. Mario? What?
What's this?
Toothpaste? Toothpaste? Toothpaste!